Hey guys, welcome back. So, I don't know if y'all are going to be mad at me or not. I know a lot of you have been requesting a glitter French, and that's what I'm going to do today, but I'm going to do it with this gel polish, and I'm going to tell you why. There are so many things wrong with a glitter dip French. Let me count the ways. Just so you know, I'm using the iGel Beauty Dark Pink and my Nail Addict LA gel polish. I'll leave everything linked for you guys in the description box below, per usual. But, okay, glitter French. So I have literally tried this so many times in so many different ways. I have used, like those little circle reinforcements that you would get when you were in school to put over your papers with the holes and the stuff. Yeah, I tried using those. It was not good. I tried just dipping like I normally would to do a French. Not good. And I'll tell you my biggest issue. My biggest issue, I know, was glitter. No matter how well you brush it off, a piece of that glitter, and this is why I encapsulate all my nails, all my flat nails before I do glitter dip. Glitter just goes everywhere and sticks. So I find it virtually impossible, if not impossible, to do any type of a glitter French or a glitter, like, I don't know, something, unless you're doing a color block that is going to stay put and not get all over your pink color. So I figured the best way to get around this would be to do it with polish. And you can do it with regular polish if you want. I actually may wind up doing that coming up. And now that I've done it with the glitter, I want to try and do it with just the French white and see if I can get it to look just as good as my dip French. But it's so much easier to do just with polish over dip. So that's my little French glitter dip powder mani. I don't want to call it a hack. It's nothing new. It's just my way of doing a glitter French nail with dip powder. So what I'm doing now, in case you guys haven't noticed, I am going to do my normal thing. I'm going to do 2 dips into the dark pink. I'm going to clear encapsulate with the iGel Beauty Clear. And then I'm going to just do a really quick French line with the glittery gel polish. And that's literally going to be it. Yeah, I hope you guys aren't mad at me. I may throw a video up here anyway of how I fail at doing a French mani, but I like to keep this like somewhat educational and, motivational for you guys. I don't want to put stuff up here that you're not going to want to do or try, so I figured I'd just give you my easiest way of doing this. I'm going to quit yapping for just a bit and I'm going to let you watch. I'm going to finish up with my second coat. As you can see, I am using my Virgo and Gem dip liquids. Still obsessed. If you got the Virgo and Gem dip liquids after my review, comment down below and let me know if you tried them and if you like them. I'm super excited to hear you guys' opinions because I love it to pieces. It's still my fave. It's not going anywhere. It's on my list, it's top of my list. It's number 1 on the list, and that's where it's going to stay. So I'm going to let you guys watch for just a bit, but I will be back when we get into some filing. Okay, so I'll be right back. Nothing to do with the mani I'm doing right now, but I wanted to remind you guys that if you have not yet entered the giveaway for the MVP acrylics. I'll leave the video linked up here in the cards for you guys if you missed it. But if you've not yet entered, I will be announcing the winner for that giveaway in a post on YouTube this coming Saturday. So definitely enter if you haven't yet. The acrylics are absolutely sensational. I can't say enough good things about it. And I will have some other fun stuff included in the giveaway. That'll be a surprise, but I guess the winner will find out. So just wanted to remind you to check out that video and do enter the giveaway if you're interested in some really, really great acrylics. I'd love to make one of y'all's day, two of y'all's day actually. So just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. I'm going to let you keep watching. I'm going to cap the rest of my nails in clear. Be back for some filing shenanigans. So nice and hard, ready for filing. I'm doing my normal file routine, and for those of you that were dying to see how I do like a contouring and smoothing type video without an e-file, I do have that video coming. It'll be up 1 week from today. Actually, that's the 16th. So you can get excited for that. I'm not excited. I'm freaking terrified because I haven't filmed it yet. If I bleed, y'all need to send me some band-aids. You should do that now. Just so I'm prepared for the slaughter that is upon me, or will be. Yeah, I'm terrified, but it's going to happen. It's going to happen next week. So be prepared. I'm getting prepared. I'm trying to psych myself into it. Comment down below and let me know if you're an e-file girl or if you are a hand file girl. Let me know what your preference is. I'm going to let you guys watch me file. I'm going to finish up my hand filing right now. I'm just cleaning up my shape and my sidewalls, and then I'm going to go in with my e-file. I know you guys love to zone out and watch me do that, so I'm going to let you, and I will come back and we'll get into the actual Why do I do these things? Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this absolutely stunning. I wish that my lighting and my iPhone could capture the holographic beauteousness in this gel polish. It is so stunning. I'm gonna add a video to the end of this of what it looks like moving, like my fingers moving in sunlight. It's so gorgeous. But you can't even tell. You can't even tell. It just looks like silver. So sad. So I'm literally just painting on this French tip, and it's so easy. And one of the best tips that I can give you for doing this is if you need to throw this on sloppily, is that a word? If you need to make a mess with this, if you need to get it on, then I have a cleanup brush always next to me when I'm using gels, and I'll just dip my brush in a little bit of alcohol, and you can just clean up that smile line if you need to, which I think makes it a lot more forgiving than using dip, because if you mess up with a dip powder, you're gonna be soaking it all off and doing it all over again. And this is just so much easier. I don't know why. I don't know why. Why would anyone do a French with anything else? Granted, I've done it a few times. It's always come out nice. But this is just exponentially easier. Save yourself the trouble, especially if you're OCD like I am about getting like a super perfect smile line. Gel is the way to go, because not only can you clean it up a little bit if you need to, but if you make a total disaster out of yourself, you can always just alcohol, rub it off, do it again. And you don't have to worry about, damaging the dip base that you just put down, that French pink. All you have to do, it's going to be fine. All you have to do is wipe off the gel and do it all over again. So this is literally all I'm doing. I don't know how to explain it to you. I'm literally painting the tips of my nails, and that's it. If you guys done this with gel before, let me know if you've tried doing this on yourself with gel. I don't know how good I would do. Maybe when I do a French white, like I'll do a white tip with gel, and I'll do it on my dominant hand. So I'll use my non-dominant hand to do it, because I'm kind of, curious to see if I can do it with my non-dominant hand. It's unlikely. Say it together now. Hot mess Marla. I know. So it's unlikely, but it makes for a good experiment. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish up doing my glitter French, and then I'm going to top coat also with my Nail Addict LA No Wipe Top, and I'm going to cure, and we're going to be out the door. So stick around. I'll be back with you guys in a bit with some final thoughts. seconds in my LED UV. Gel always needs an LED or UV or combo to cure. It does not dry on its own. Like I said, you could use polish to do this. Instead of cleaning it up with alcohol, you can clean it up with non-acetone, what's the word? Nail polish remover. That's the stuff. That way you don't affect the acrylic underneath, and y'all would be good to go. Super easy. What did you guys think? Do you think this is something that you might want to try if you find yourself not doing well with like a dip powder French? Let me know down below, or let me know if you've tried this and how it worked for you. Of course, I finished with my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil per usual. I will have all of the discount codes I have for Nail Addict and Cuticle Oil and iGel Beauty down in the description box. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next vid. Love you. Bye.